Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.info, and today let's discuss how to get custom packaging on AliExpress. So in order to do that, you need to directly talk to your supplier. Start by finding the product that you want to order and check if the seller looks reliable. Then you can send them a message through AliExpress chat and ask if they offer such private label or custom packaging. So you can open whatever product and at the left bottom corner of your screen go to message icon, and this will redirect you to chat with the seller. Or also you can go directly to seller's page. Under the photos of the item you can see name of the store, so tap it, and at the bottom you should see also this message icon, so this is also a chat. So if you ask them that question, if they have such option of custom packaging, most suppliers will say yes, but if you only order a certain minimum quantity of the items, it could be 50 units, it could be 100, sometimes even more. It all depends on the type of product that you want to order. Then you will need to provide your logo or design file, and they will usually send you a mock-up before production. But you should keep in mind that custom packaging almost always costs extra money, and it might add some time to produce. But of course, if you're serious to build, for example, your own brand, it's the only option for you. So that's basically it. I really hope that this video helps you, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this.